Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rate people's reviews and how useful they are about a particular wine. For example, before purchasing it, it can be really useful. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search button down below and type in the name of a product that you are looking for, and after that, at the top of the screen you are going to see the ratings, so tap on it, and here you can find the average rating, and as you slide to the right side you can see the rating breakdown. Tap on the X button, and after that you should scroll down till you find the reviews section. Tap on the read more button, and here you can find all of the reviews more detailed, and if you want to you can tap on this like button to indicate that you have found this comment helpful. You can also start a conversation by leaving your comment here by tapping on the leave a comment box down below. So start typing in your question or comment, and then tap on the post button next to it to send your comment. If you want to, you can also report a comment by tapping on this three dots icon next to the reviewer's name. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.